How to continue playing audio in the background on Twitch app. If you're facing issues with audio stopping when you leave an app, this quick tutorial will help you out. First, open the app on your mobile device and log into your account with your email and password. Once logged in, look at the bottom right of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Then, tap on Settings at the top left corner of the screen. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Preferences. Tap on it. After opening Preferences, scroll through the options until you find Continue Playing Audio in the Background. Now, by default, the Never option is selected. Tap on the drop-down menu just below it and select Always. Once you select Always, your audio will continue playing in the background even when you switch apps or lock your screen. And that's it. Your background audio playback is now enabled. This works for music, podcasts, and any audio content within the app. If this tutorial helped you fix the background audio issue, let me know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to all apps for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.